Okay, so here's the new shirt. English Laundry.
Yep.
And it's kind of a denim-y blue color or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
And it's a comfort stretch, recycled poly kind of a shirt there. And you got, really, it's got a nice texture to it.
Yes.
A nice color. It's kind of a little bit speckled-ish. It's, of course, it comes with the free dog hair. Look at that.
Yep,
oh,
already.
wait a minute. Did that just come from her?
you
Oh, were you hugging your dog? What's that all about?
I was. And
Okay.
This is a men's small.
Yeah. How's it feel?
Feels good.
Is it
It
soft?
doesn't feel too big, or it's soft. It's a little bit warmish because it's a little thicker than a normal tee. But lightweight enough. Arizona.
Arizona.
A little cold in the mornings,
Chilly in the
in
mornings,
the evenings and stuff, and so it's just going to be perfect for that. So
good. It fits you good. I can see like shoulders are just right in there, so that's good. And the cuffs.
Yep.
Good. So you got blonde dog hair all over it. How did that happen?
Yay!
Ooh,
We like
good.
to wear our dog.